Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, you should know that my channel generally doesn't have anything to do with unboxing or Star Wars. However, I got this toy that I had ordered from Amazon in February and it was just too darn cute to not make a video. If you're also a Star Wars fan and maybe you're on a weight loss journey or have been thinking about it, I definitely encourage you to subscribe to the channel and follow along on that journey. This is just a special little fun thing that I am doing today. And if you are one of my returning viewers, thanks for checking this out. I don't know if you're as into Star Wars as I am. You guys know I have never kept that love of Star Wars a secret here on my channel, and I hope you enjoy this animatronic unboxing video as well. So as I mentioned, I ordered this toy in February and today we are going to open it up and check it out. It is Star Wars The Mandalorian The Child Animatronic Edition, aka Baby Yoda. I know tons of people who are not even really Star Wars fans, but they still love Baby Yoda. His real name is The Child. Well, his real name, we don't even know what it is yet. Season 2 is coming up on Disney Plus on October 30th, so maybe we'll find out. But anyway, let's go ahead and open this up. Now, before I jump into unboxing it, I really debated whether I was gonna keep him in the box or not. I actually put it to a vote in the Star Wars group that I run over on Facebook. It's called Star Wars Memes Strikes Back. Definitely check that out if you love a really good collection of Star Wars memes. It's a really awesome group. We'd love it if you joined us. So I posted in that group whether I should open it or keep it in the box, and the overwhelming majority voted that I should open it. So I figured, let me record this today. I will share it to the group. Big shout out to everybody in that group. We love and appreciate you all. So before I open him, I want to show you what he does in demo mode. So according to the package, it does 25 plus sound and movement combinations, and you can activate force moves, and he can also lay down for a nap. So that's what it says on the back of the box here. And then also he is in demo mode. Now what's really cool is that for all of that movement that he just did, even just in demo mode, he actually makes very little, like, what's the word, mechanical noises. I'm super excited to open this up and see what else he can do.
Here is a closer look at the box. It looks like it says a lot, but it really doesn't. It just is in various languages here. So we've got that. It is the animatronic edition, and then the Star Wars Disney Plus logo, and then what it is. This is created by Hasbro, and it is recommended for ages 4+. His 25 plus sound and movement combinations. And then it also says to touch his head, to try it out. There's the outside packaging, closer view of the back. 25 plus sounds and movements, and laying down for a nap. Touch his head. It's a really nice package. Now these are available on Amazon for $59. You probably can find it less expensive elsewhere, but so far I am really impressed with this. His ears are like a rubbery material. They're like really satisfying to touch. So you can kind of see that, very flexible, soft on the top. You can feel where the arm is, or the animatronic arm. I'm going to try to open this without damaging the packaging as much as I can. I can see there's some tape along the sides here. Let's go ahead and cut that, and then cut the other side there. Okay. There's some more tabs here. It looks like this folds in. Oh, there's tape on the front here too, so let's snip that. Aha, now we're getting somewhere. Okay, we're gonna snip that. There we go. Okay, so he is in here with these like screw type deals. Let's see. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. There we go. And let's do. Aha. Well, that was really easy. We got him out of the box. Necklace out. And that is taped in there really good. So I'm gonna have to move it back. And try to pop this open. There it goes. And oh, more tape. So here is the necklace. It definitely looked more metallic on the box. This is clear, I mean, it's plastic, which is fine. But on the box, let's compare it to the box. Yeah, it definitely looks more silver metallic on the box. That's okay. Oh yeah, look, and you can see through the eyes there too. A little different than how they definitely displayed it, but not the end of the world. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on him. Let's see. And tuck it into the back there. That way it stays where we want. Oh, he's so cute. Don't you just want to hug him? Okay, so we probably have to switch him out of demo mode. So let's take a look on the bottom here. There's his speaker. Aha, here's the switch. This is like a hard plastic. So we're gonna turn him on, switch him on. He's got little feet on the bottom. And there we go. This does come with some instructions. So we've got this little booklet here. Super cute. It doesn't look like it tells you all the things that he can do. So I guess we're gonna have to figure it out. So some FCC statements there. A paper booklet. This is showing how to change his batteries. So it does say that he's got 25 plus different combinations, but it only shows us how to do 3. So we've got, oh, he's so darn cute. Now, oh, how cute! Oh, I can't take it. Okay, you very lightly touch him. He's just going on his own. He's so stinking cute. So it also says that you can lay him down for a nap. So let's lay him down. That's stinking cute. Oh, he's still sleeping. Don't wake the baby. So really the only touch points are his head. So that is how you will activate him. So I suppose you could pose him. How cute is that little baby giggle though? All right, let's see. Now what's interesting is I have not gotten him to do that force move again. There he goes. So they show him with this in his hand. Let's see if we can get this. The hands don't move, so the arms move up and down. This arm isn't as flexible. This arm, oh, that looked so cool. Yeah, I thought it was funny too, Baby Yoda. gosh, I'm such a nerd. So we're gonna put this in, or try to put this in here. There we go. That made him very happy, but he dropped it. So the only thing I'm a little disappointed with, this is amazing. I mean, the animatronic motion is so smooth. The only thing I'm really disappointed with is the length of this necklace, because I mean, I know it's supposed to be Mando's, but it hangs so long on him. It still looks adorable, so it's not even really a complaint. That ear movement is just incredible. So I'm gonna try and get really, really close so you guys can see the ear movement up close. But it is so smooth, like that's really awesome. Let's do one more. Lots of coos, he's so cute.
So there you have it, guys. There is the child slash baby Yoda slash adorable little puddins who I'm just gonna go snuggle with after this. Are you cool with that? I think that sounds like a good idea too. I thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know, would you guys pick this up off Amazon? Have you already picked one up already? And if so, let me know if you kept it in the box or not, because I had the hardest time deciding whether to open it, but now I'm just like so happy I did because he's so cute. So cute. Anyway, until next time, I'll see you real soon. Say bye-bye.